Is it possible to retrieve deleted incognito browsing history on an Android or iOS device?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our discussion on a topic that often piques interest, the retrieval of deleted incognito browsing history on Android or iOS devices. We'll address this question thoroughly and highlight some important points along the way.
What is incognito browsing?
To begin, let's clarify what incognito browsing is. Incognito mode, also known as private browsing, is a feature in most web browsers that disables browsing history and the web cache. This means that when you close out your incognito browsing session, your browsing history is not stored on your device. It's designed to add an extra layer of privacy to your online activities.
Can you retrieve deleted incognito browsing history on Android?
Given the nature of incognito browsing, the simple answer is no, you cannot directly retrieve deleted incognito browsing history on an Android device. Android does not keep a record of the sites you visit when you're using incognito mode in your browser.
What about iOS devices?
Much like Android, iOS devices also do not store incognito browsing history. Once an incognito browsing session is closed on an iPhone or iPad, the browsing history is not stored and cannot be retrieved directly.
Is there any way to access incognito browsing history?
While it's not possible to retrieve incognito browsing history directly from your device, some external parties, like your internet service provider, ISP, or employer, if you're using a work device or network, may still have access to this data. These entities can track browsing history through the network, despite the use of incognito mode. However, it's important to note that accessing this data usually requires legal permissions and specific circumstances. So, to sum up, while incognito mode provides a layer of privacy, it's not completely private. However, when it comes to retrieving deleted incognito browsing history directly from your Android or iOS device, it's simply not possible. Thank you for joining us in this discussion, and we hope you found it helpful. Stay safe online.